Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about two of the most common problems LG Smart TV users face. Netflix not working on LG TV. Bluetooth not working or not connecting on LG TV. Many people complain that Netflix does not load, keeps buffering, or shows an error. At the same time, some users struggle with connecting their Bluetooth headphones or speakers to the LG TV. Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix both issues easily at home. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech solutions. Step 1. Fixing Netflix not working on LG TV. If Netflix is not working on your LG TV, follow these steps carefully. The first and easiest fix is restarting your TV. Turn off your LG TV, unplug the power cable from the wall socket, wait for at least 2 minutes, and then plug it back in. This resets the system and often solves temporary glitches. Go to Settings. All settings support software update. If an update is available, install it immediately. Outdated software is one of the most common reasons Netflix fails to run properly. Go to Settings Apps Netflix Clear Cache/Clear Data. If this doesn't work, uninstall Netflix and reinstall it from the LG Content Store. A fresh installation often fixes app crashes. Netflix requires at least 5 megabits per second for smooth streaming. Test your internet speed on another device. If Wi-Fi is weak, try connecting your LG TV to the router using an Ethernet cable. By following these steps, most Netflix errors are solved quickly. Step 2. Fixing Bluetooth not working on LG TV. If your Bluetooth devices are not connecting properly, here's what you need to do. On your TV, go to Settings Sound Out Bluetooth Device. Select Make sure your Bluetooth device appears in the list. If your headphones or speakers are not showing, ensure they are in pairing mode. Usually, this means holding down the power button for 5 to 10 seconds until a blinking light appears. If the device still doesn't connect, reset your TV's Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings General Reset to Initial Settings. This refreshes the system and clears pairing conflicts. Always keep your TV firmware updated. Old versions often have Bluetooth bugs that prevent smooth connection. Remember, LG TVs can only pair with a limited number of devices. If you already have 3 to 4 devices connected, remove the old ones to connect a new one. Step 3. Extra tips if problems continue. If Netflix or Bluetooth still doesn't work after trying all the steps above, here are some final solutions. Reset your LG TV to factory settings. This will delete all apps and data but often removes hidden errors. Visit the official LG website, enter your TV model number, and download the troubleshooting guide or latest firmware. Most of the time, either a small setting or a software update solves these problems completely. So friends, these were the easy solutions for fixing Netflix and Bluetooth issues on LG Smart TVs. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss my next tech solution video. Also, let me know in the comments which problem you were facing and if these steps worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.